Hello everybody, this is Aaron5976 #2 here, and this, I made this, today I just made a Nerf gun video. Hopefully you see that one, but, hold on, let me see it, let's see it adjust. Look at that, hold on, hopefully this thing's waterproof. Look at that, looks like funnel clouds out here. This is a tropical storm. I gotta ask my brother, so. This is all from Hurricane Lawrence that just hit the U.S. And it's heading here in Cuba, Missouri. It's last time I checked it, I wish I had a screen, what do we call them things, DU screen, recorder. This isn't available for my tablet. It's only available for phones. Just look at it. Hopefully this thing will not get wet. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Look, it's getting wet. No. Wait. See, look, it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. And I just saw lightning, I think. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, it's even raining even harder. And it just stopped. No, it didn't. Oh, look how wet I am. Wet dog. Yeah. I'm not in my gaming career anymore. Sad. Sadly, I'm not. Gosh. And also, you know what the worst thing is? We live right next to a tornado siren, which I can't show you right now. So yeah, that's pretty bad. I'm walking this out. Where'd it go? Oh, it's behind a tree, so I can't show you it right now. Right there. If you can see the tornado siren, oh god, this towel's getting all wet. Hold on. And no, you cannot see it. Dang it! I'm gonna have to show you another day, or when it rains like this. Oh, or when it's about to rain. You know what? My YouTube in my old gaming YouTubing days, I am not rich or famous. I do not have that much subscribers. I don't have any subscribers at this channel at all at this moment. So yeah, I don't know what brought up that conversation, and look how bad it is. No. Run right through the rain. Run right through the rain. Hide under a tree. Okay. Nope. I'm still getting wet. Here it is. Tornado siren. No. Quit. Yeah, tornado siren. Now I gotta run back. Yes. Oof. When I used to do exercises like this, yeah, tell me in the comments how fast I run. Out of 1 out of 10. Please do so, or you die in a horrible manner, like I said in the video. This thing's not waterproof. So let me end this video for right now. Post it on YouTube.